To automatically download all media on WhatsApp while roaming in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap storage and data. Under media auto download section, tap when roaming. Put check marks on all of the boxes available from photos to document. And then tap OK button to save the change. You can see that a pop-up menu appear on the screen to warn you that automatic video download while roaming may result in higher than expected career change. If you like to continue the process, tap OK button. By choosing this setting, now your phone will automatically download all media, which are photos, videos, audio, and document on your WhatsApp while you are roaming. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.